Hello guys, look what I found again. Hello loveliest, today I'm again at the beach, just walking and beach combing. Ay, this is nice. Ooh, very nice. Hey guys, I wonder what is this, but surely I'm gonna take it home. Plant my succulent here. Look, it has a natural holes. I don't know what is this really. Maybe it's an ancient cupcake molder. Maybe. Ancient cupcake holder. So yes, indeed, I did Google it and I found very interesting facts about this piece of stone. So I wanted to use it as a planter of my succulents, but now not anymore because this is a very important part of history. So it says in one of my research that this stone cresset oil lamp with hollows was likely used to light the cloisters, dormitory, or night stairs in the priory. The hollows would have been filled with fat and a series of wicks placed in each of them. The wicks were then lit to provide a slow burning light. So I'm so happy to find this piece as a link to the past. Imagine I found a piece that was being made between 13th to 16th century and had witnessed the medieval age. Wow! So this piece is all about light in darkness, stone and movement, and history. So guys, there it is, my best find ever. One of my best find actually. Thank you for watching guys. Smile.